Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Ollie. How are you today?
I am fine. Thank you, and how are you, teacher?
I am fine too. Please sit down. Ali, do you have your book?
Yes, teacher. Here is my book.
Very good. Open page number 5.
Teacher, may I read?
Yes, Sarah. Please start reading.
Excuse me, teacher. I do not understand this word.
No problem, Sarah. This word is fascinating.
Fascinating. What does it mean?
It means very interesting.
Thank you, teacher.
No problem. Now it's your break time. Enjoy your lunch.
Ali, you hungry?
Yes, I am. What about you?
I am hungry too. I have a sandwich and juice.
Nice. I have an apple and some cookies.
Let's share our lunch.
Great idea.
Deal. Sharing is fun.